Hello everyone, this is Mayank. Today we are going to know more about some basic concepts related wormholes or time travel in our universe. First of all, we will understand what is wormholes. For example, the nearest galaxy to our Milky Way galaxy is Andromeda galaxy, th- which is about 3,700 million light years away from the Earth. So if we want to reach that galaxy, so it's kind of impossible for us with the current technology we have on Earth. But somehow we manage to reach the speed of light using some modern technologies. Still we will require 3,700 million years to reach that Andromeda galaxy. So it is sort of like it's impossible for us to reach there. But according to Einstein's field equation, there is one way we can reach that Andromeda galaxy, and that way is known as wormholes. So now what are the wormholes? Wormholes can be defined as a tunnel in the space-time curve which connects two points of the space-time graph on this two-dimensional page. Okay, we will create 2 points, point A and point B. So you can see I have created 2 points, point A and point B, on this two-dimensional graph. We can say it graph, but this is not a graph, but we can say it's a graph. So we have a shortest path to travel from A to B, and that shortest path is a straight line. Okay, this straight line is a shortest path, but in two-dimensional world this is the shortest path. But what if we just like turn this page and make it a curve, turn this two-dimensional page into three dimension, like we introduce this two-dimensional page with three-dimensional world and make it curve. Okay, so now you can see that point A and point B are now more closer, and now the shortest path is this. This is now the shortest path between them. You can see that this difference of millimeter between these 2 points. Yes, this is now the shortest path. So we can just create a hole in this like this. Okay, now when we open this page up like this, see, this is what you can say the shortest path between the point A and B is. But now you can understand that this two-dimensional graph requires the introduction of three dimension for the creation of wormhole. Okay, so like that only our three-dimensional world needs the introduction of fourth dimension to create a wormhole in the space-time curve to move from one point to another using wormholes. So this is impossible for us to uh, introduce fourth dimension in our space-time graph. Also, if somehow we manage to introduce the fourth dimension in our space-time graph, there is one more problem. Like for the creation of wormhole, we need two exits like this exit A and this exit B. Okay, we need one entry and one exit. So we can say that we need two exits. Suppose one exit is a black hole, okay, from which we can go inside the wormhole. So for that we need the another point to be exact opposite of the point A. Like we need something which is opposite from black hole in every terms. Okay, like we can say that black holes can be defined as the like we know that black hole sucks everything inside it and no light can come out of the black hole. Only light can go inside the black hole. Okay, this is the basic knowledge. Similarly, in for white holes, we need that only light comes out of the white hole. Nothing goes inside the white hole. Okay, like if point A is a black hole, point B needs to be a white hole, from so that we can uh, go inside the black hole and come out of a white hole. But the concept of white hole is just a theoretical concept. No white holes are ever found in our universe by the scientists of Earth. So this is also one of the challenges in the theory of wormholes. So this is and in summary, we can tell that wormholes are the concept of time travel or the shortest path between 2 points of the space-time graph, but it has two we can say but it has two reasons that this theory fails. First reason is dimension, as I told you, and second reason is the concept of white holes. If at any time in our earth white hole is proved, so there are chances to create a wormhole in our space-time graph. Like, not space-time graph, I think space-time graph word is wrong in this conversation. We can say in our space, only space. In our space, time travel is possible with two things, like introduction of fourth dimension, and second the uh, proof, like second is the proof of white hole. When the white hole is proven and the fourth dimension is introduced, we can create a we can say wormhole and do time travel. This is it for today's videos. We will meet very soon in the next videos. Thank you for watching.